Hi, I'm Andrea Kanaris, founder of All Things Social Impact and host of Voices of Change, Stories That Matter. ESG is broken. There, I've said it. We've elevated three little letters, environment, social, governance, into something almost sacred. The business world talks about ESG as if it's the ultimate marker of responsibility. Investors demand it, companies market it, and entire industries have grown up around it. But in practice, ESG has become a checkbox, a marketing badge, and in too many cases, a distraction from what actually matters. So maybe the answer isn't just fixing ESG. Maybe it's throwing it out and starting again. Now, let's be fair. ESG wasn't born from a bad place. It started as a way to hold companies accountable, to look beyond profit and consider their wider impact on people and planet. The problem is, what was supposed to be about accountability has turned into an industry of ratings, indexes, and glossy reports. And here's the kicker. Those ratings are inconsistent, contradictory, and easily manipulated. A company can pollute rivers, treat its workforce poorly, but tick enough boxes somewhere else and still claim a high ESG score. That's not accountability, that's theatre. And then there's the hierarchy built right into the ESG model. Environment comes first and it dominates the conversation, then social, then governance. Humans are almost an afterthought. That's backwards because here's the truth. You don't get environmental stewardship from people who are hungry, unhealthy, or feeling hopeless. When people are thriving, when they feel safe, when their livelihoods are secure, and when they see a future worth protecting, they care for the environment. They fight for it. They nurture it. But when people are barely surviving, expecting them to prioritize carbon targets or biodiversity metrics above their family's immediate survival, that's just unrealistic and it's unfair. And this is why ESG feels so hollow right now. It has become about performance on paper, not impact in practice. It's about who can generate the slickest sustainability report, not who's genuinely changing lives. We've seen scandals where companies with high ESG ratings are exposed for human rights abuses, corruption, or environmental damage. How does that happen? Because the model is flawed. Because we've built a system that prioritizes tick boxes over truth. It's no wonder people are questioning whether ESG has outlived its usefulness. So here's my provocation. Let's stop tweaking ESG around the edges. Let's stop pretending the acronym is sacred. What if we rebuilt the foundation completely? People first, then environment, then systems. Because sustainability without humans at the center isn't sustainability at all. It's green gloss. It's distraction. If we want something real, we have to start with human thriving, build everything else around it. Only then do we stand a chance of creating impact that lasts. ESG had its chance. Maybe it's time to reboot. Leave your comments below and remember, hit the like button, share, and subscribe.